Annyeonghaseyo everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share quick and delicious lunch idea with you. We are making this instant Korean noodle today, which is a Bibimmyeon, spicy, tangy, and so satisfying. Okay, let's get started. Go here, set the timer for 3 minutes. Oops. Oh, now I forgot to add this one. I always forget. Okay, the garnishment. Take this down and put in the ice water. Just leave it for a while. Then add it into ice water. Here. Remember, I put it and I add it here. Squeeze out. Coat it. I think it's here. Here. And lunch is ready.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel if you enjoyed this video.